On a different kind of factory floor,
It's not like Henry T. Ford.
with no real assembly lines to speak of,
We do have 80 people in this facility, in this manufacturing location here in Denver.
Geotech Environmental Equipment is busy building lots of different stuff.
We make hundreds of products. We have a catalog that's about this thick.
A lot of their work involves plastic. These plastic pellets are Geotech's lifeblood. They end up in products like jump rope, medical devices, and vacuum cleaners. But it's equipment that tests for and treats groundwater pollution that's its specialty, and China is one of its top clients.
It's basically anywhere where chemicals are stored or handled and people are involved. It's like kids with milk. Someone's eventually going to spill, and we've got stuff to help clean it up at that point.
In a country where air gets a lot of attention, the Chinese government is now tackling groundwater contamination from landfills and improperly disposed industrial waste.
You know, the driver to have clean water for agricultural purposes and drinking water it's a big deal for China right now, and they're focusing on it.
And so Geotech is pumping out a wide range of devices that, among other things, sample groundwater, remove hazardous vapors from the soil, and extract oil and other pollutants. A U.S. government grant is helping Geotech help China conduct a system for conducting its cleanup from the ground up.
China is not lack of political will, is lack of, how. Technology is policy and institutions.
The Water Act passed back in the 1970s.
The U.S. is only 40 years into this, and so China has the opportunity to catch up pretty fast.
According to a Chinese expert from the World Watch Institute, an environmental research group, half of China's cities have significant groundwater pollution. Geotech's involvement in remediation now includes an office in Beijing.
The U.S. government views this as an opportunity for U.S. companies to actually export to China. You know, we're really at the very beginning of it.
Hendrik Sabrandi, CCTV, Denver.